Look closely at the screen. If your brain doesn't feel the urge to copy it, it's possible you have psychopathic traits. It's not tiredness. It's the oldest empathy test in the world. And if you fail, something inside you might be a little broken. Why? Even when we try to resist, is it sometimes impossible not to give in to the temptation to open our mouths and let out a yawn? The answer might be in our most primitive brain. Scientists have found that contagious yawning is not just a curiosity, but a window into our social and emotional nature. In 2015, a group of scientists from Baylor University posed a disturbing question. Is the inability to catch a yawn related to a lack of empathy? Could this small gesture reveal something profound about our personality? The results were surprising. They found that those who show less empathy and certain psychopathic traits are not as easily affected by others' yawns. In other words, how easily we imitate a yawn might be linked to our ability to connect emotionally with others. But why? What happens in our brain when we see someone yawn? The key might be in what are called mirror neurons. These special cells activate when we observe the actions or emotions of others, allowing our brain to reflect them almost automatically. These neurons allow your brain to mirror the emotions and actions of others. If you see someone yawn, your brain feels the urge to do the same. It's like a kind of primitive connection, designed to connect tribe members and synchronize their state of alertness. Thus, yawning becomes a silent language, a sign that we share emotions and needs. In the caves, yawning together was a silent way of saying, "We're tired, it's time to rest, but together." It was a survival strategy. If everyone was synchronized, the group could better protect itself from nighttime dangers. That made us safer. Yawning, then, was not only a sign of sleep, but also of belonging and mutual protection. But if yawning doesn't affect you, perhaps your brain is less sensitive to the emotional state of those around you. It could be a sign that you process emotions differently, or simply that your attention is focused on other things. Or maybe you're just different. The diversity in how we respond to social stimuli is part of what makes us human. Science still doesn't have a definitive answer, but every time you suppress a yawn, you might be denying a reflex as old as humanity itself. Perhaps in that small gesture lies the story of our social evolution. Knowing our origin is the best way to understand the present. Follow us on Vestiges.